Welcome to today's video. Today, we'll explore ring rolling machines, a crucial equipment in modern manufacturing, and the numerous advantages they bring to industrial production. The most prominent advantage of ring rolling machines is their exceptional precision control capability. They can produce rings with exact dimensions, meeting the strict tolerance requirements in aerospace, energy, and other sectors. Compared to traditional casting or cutting processes, ring rolling significantly improves raw material efficiency. This process minimizes material waste, saving substantial costs for businesses. The plastic deformation during ring rolling optimizes the internal grain structure of the material. This not only improves the mechanical strength of the finished product but also enhances its fatigue resistance and service life. The flexibility of ring rolling machines is impressive. From small precision components to large industrial rings, from simple circular rings to complex cross-sectional shapes, ring rolling machines can handle it all. Modern ring rolling machines achieve high levels of automation, significantly shortening production cycles. An advanced ring rolling system can complete the entire process from blank to finished product in a short time. For batch production, the comprehensive cost advantages of ring rolling are significant. Although the equipment investment is higher, the long-term benefits from high efficiency and low waste rates far exceed the initial investment. From common carbon steel and stainless steel to difficult-to-process titanium alloys and high-temperature alloys, ring rolling machines can effectively handle them all. This wide material adaptability provides more possibilities for manufacturing. The continuous grain flow structure formed by the ring rolling process significantly improves the strength of the product in critical directions. This is crucial for components subjected to high stress. Products formed by ring rolling typically require minimal subsequent machining. This not only saves time and cost but also reduces the risk of errors during the processing. In today's emphasis on sustainable development, the low energy consumption and high material utilization of ring rolling perfectly align with the environmental requirements of modern manufacturing. With these significant advantages, ring rolling machines have become an indispensable equipment in modern precision manufacturing. As technology continues to advance, ring rolling processes will play an important role in even broader fields.